But think about why I was trespassed. For bringing in a piece of evidence on a motion to dismiss. Can you imagine? Like your lawyer calls you and tells you, I want you to bring in this piece of evidence on this date to court. You bring it in, and then 2 weeks later, they come out and they tell you you're trespassed because you brought in an unauthorized item. Even though the lawyer told the sheriff himself, he said, I told him to bring in this piece of evidence. And they're like, we don't care.
By the way, I took a look at your evidence. They're in trouble.
They're in a lot of trouble. I'll be honest with you. They're in a lot of trouble. I mean, they're going to try to weasel their way out of it. But at the end of the day, the facts are the facts. And it's going to go before a judge, hopefully a honest judge.
Well, we're going to still talk about her to bring awareness to what kind of piece of shit judge we have in our county that's doing the bidding of corrupt
100%.
individuals.
She's corrupt. 100%. She's corrupt. 100%.
Hey, Jeanette Irby, ma'am, I'm still waiting for that lawsuit for defamation. You know why she wouldn't put in that lawsuit?
Yeah, because you're going to...
subpoena, the cell phone, the emails, and in those communication, backdoor deals are happening.
I guarantee you she was paid by the sheriff's office.
Of course she was paid.
She was paid money. And that's going to come out.
It will
eventually.
come out.
I mean,
eventually.
If she's look, if she's doing it with you, she's definitely doing it with other people.
Of course.
And eventually, people are going to speak out. They're not going to be happy about it, and she's going to piss off the wrong person. Okay, and they're going to have the money. They're going to have the right lawyer. And they're going to take her to court. She's going to be held accountable.
Absolutely.
It's only a matter of time.
Absolutely. I mean, how does this judge like that she's on a podcast, every other podcast, whenever we go on a podcast, reminding this community that we have a judge,
Who's corrupt.
Who's corrupt.